You have hiccups right now, don't you? Here's how to kill them fast. First, take a deep breath, hold it, and swallow twice. Still there? Cup your hands over your mouth and nose and breathe slowly for 30 seconds. Last resort, drink a glass of water while bending forward. It resets your diaphragm. One of these will work. Try them right now and thank me later. Check out my video on Stop Hiccups, Here's How They Happen on my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.